Hi guys, I hope your day is going well. The purpose of this video is to show you how you can download your Zoom live lesson participants list when you're done with your lesson. This will come in handy on Thursday and Friday because you won't be able to take attendance in Wasl yet since the school day doesn't start until September 21st. Or the school year. And this also is helpful for you in case you maybe in the future forget to take attendance during your Zoom live session because you're going to have so much going on, that there's a back channel way to be able to find out who was present at your meetings. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to ClassLink. You press the home button. I don't know why I press that every time, I just do. You're going to hit sign in. I wish I had a funny joke I could tell you right now, but I don't. You're going to find your Zoom tool. So you're going to click here. It has a little camera. Don't know why I have to sign in if I'm going through ClassLink, but oh, now the magic's happening. There you go. It should have automatically logged me in, but that's okay. Guess I'll just press it again. Okay. So now I'm in my Zoom account. So in order to get the reports on this left-hand side here, I'm going to hit reports. Okay, then usage is the next place I can go, so usage. And then here you can get like a report that shows you your participants' names and like how long they were on the meeting. So you'll have to go to your exact time that you want it. So right now it's only showing me the one that I had today. Practice makes perfect-ish. I like my title. But I'm gonna just extend this from, I'm gonna go back to the first of the month and I'm gonna search. And I can find here that if I wanted to see how many people were at our afternoon PD on 9/3, so like let's say that was the day that I forgot to take attendance. So I'm going to go to the one called 9/3 afternoon PD. Okay, and then I'm going to click on this blue hyperlink. That's the number of participants I had there. So we had 30 people at that PD. Okay, so I can either just here copy down the names, go like this, or if you're like me and you want to like be able to manipulate and change it and alphabetize things, if you hit export, okay, it's now creating for me here an Excel document with all this information. And so if I click on the document once it's been created and exported out of Zoom into an Excel document, it's just taking a while. You can't see my screen bouncing down here. Can't see the little Excel thing. So if I come here, I now have a document that has a list of all the students I had present at that meeting. So if I just make that longer, I can see that Minch C, that's me, Dale Wood, Cody Rosenthal, Ruth, Chloe Minch, Danny Zimmerman, Mike Pierce, Brent, Taya. Okay, so I can start to see all these people. It shows me how long they were active as well, which is kind of nice. And it also, it can give me their email. I'm assuming why it doesn't have everyone's emails if you didn't log in using your ClassLink or your Zoom account. So the one thing that this is showing me though is that we are going to have to train kids like that they have to have a specific name. Now I know some of us let our students go by something other than what's in Pinnacle, and so that's okay, but I think this reminds us that just in order to help ourselves, we're going to have to ask them to change their name or keep their name something consistent, unless that there's a reason later in the year that the kid wants to change it and they give you a valid reason, then that's okay. But this kind of taught me that, ooh, of course I know who Kazee is, but let's say we had two Kazees, or what if someone had made it something funny, then you wouldn't be able to see. So let's go through that one more time. So I'm going to go back here, I'm going to go to ClassLink. I'm going to click on Zoom under ClassLink. I'm going to go to Reports. Here on the left-hand side is a link called Reports. I'm going to go to Usage. Okay, so then again, this is only showing me one meeting because it has my date range very short. So I would just change the date range by clicking on the calendar and making it a longer range of time. I'm going to hit search. I'm going to find the specific meeting that I want to download my participants list from, and that was 9/3 afternoon PD. It says 30 people were there. Again, I could just look at it from here if I wanted to. I don't have to download something if I was trying to like maybe see if Stacy was playing hooky, you know that's Stacy. And so I could specifically go see it and see how long that Stacy was present at my meeting, and I could go, okay, she wasn't playing hooky, she was here. But if I wanted to maybe get a list of all the kids, again, I would hit export, and then it would create an Excel document for me that I could click on.